What is artificial intelligence? Welcome to the world of the future where machines think. Cars drive themselves and your phone understands what you're saying. But how? Today, we'll explore the magic behind it all, artificial intelligence, or AI. In this video, you'll learn what AI really means, how it works, real-life examples from your daily life, myths versus reality, how AI is changing the world, on-screen visual of robots, Tesla car driving, Google Assistant, smart home, healthcare tech. Chapter 1, What is AI in simple words? Artificial intelligence is when machines are built to think or act like humans. Imagine giving a brain to your phone, your car, or even your fridge. AI is that invisible brain made from code and data that helps machines make decisions. Example: Siri on your phone, AI. YouTube suggesting videos, AI. Google Maps telling the fastest route, AI. AI is like teaching a child, the more it sees, the more it learns. Chapter 2, The official definition plus history brief. The term artificial intelligence was first used in 1956 at a conference at Dartmouth College. Officially, it means the science of making intelligent machines. Machines that can make decisions without human help. Visual timeline. 1956, term coined. 1997, IBM's Deep Blue beats World Chess Champion. 2012, breakthrough in deep learning. 2020 plus, ChatGPT, Tesla Autopilot, Google AI. Chapter 3, Types of AI. AI isn't one thing. There are 3 types. 1. Narrow AI does one task very well, e.g. Netflix suggestions, Google Translate. 2. General AI understands like a human across many topics. We don't have this yet. 3. Super AI smarter than all humans. Science fiction, for now. Visuals. Narrow AI equals virtual assistant. General AI equals sci-fi humanoid robot. Super AI equals Terminator, Matrix-style animation. Chapter 4, Where do we see AI today? You already use AI every day. Voice assistants, Siri, Alexa. Social media, Facebook auto-tags friends. Streaming, Netflix suggests what to watch. E-commerce, Amazon recommends what to buy. Finance, AI checks for fraud in your bank. Healthcare, AI helps doctors find cancer in X-rays. Smart homes, lights, temperature, security, all controlled via AI. Chapter 5, How does AI work? AI works in 3 simple steps. 1. Collect data, millions of pictures, sounds, words. 2. Train models, use data to teach a computer. 3. Make predictions, the computer gives answers or decisions. Analogy. It's like teaching a child what a cat looks like by showing 1,000 photos of cats. Visual. Child learning, followed by a computer doing the same. Chapter 6, AI versus human brain. The human brain is flexible, emotional, and creative. AI is fast, logical, and data-driven. AI strengths. Fast calculations. No sleep, no tiredness. Can analyze huge data. Human strengths. Emotions. Ethics. Creativity.